Hello everyone. This video we are going to look top 10 trading strategies for beginners. Okay, this strategies will be helpful for the beginners, those who are investing in the stock market and you did not have enough knowledge about the stock market. In a sense, just you can follow these 10 simple steps. You can make it at least for 10% of returns on monthly basis. Okay, at least a 10% or 5% of return for monthly basis if you are following these simple steps. Okay, let's see. The first one, avoid penny stocks. Okay, the first step should be avoid penny stocks. Penny stocks, in a sense, the market capitalization will be very low. Okay, for already I posted one video related to large cap as well as small caps. Okay, related to market capitalization I posted one video. That video you can look at, and based on that you can invest for large cap funds in order to avoid for small caps. Okay, for penny stock, in a sense, the value will be 0.3 AED, something like that, only for 1 rupee, 2 rupee for Indian stocks. Okay, within 5 rupee, 10 rupee and all will be there. So you need to avoid these kind of stocks. That is a first strategy you need to follow for beginners. And for the second one, investing for long term. As you are investing for the small amount or big amount, you need to think you need to invest for a long term. Okay, that is a second strategy you need to follow for beginners. And for the third one, follow portfolio diversification. Whatever amount you are keeping, even 2000 if you are keeping, in a sense 500 you can invest into one stock, and remaining 500 you can invest into another stock. Okay, likewise you can keep it for 4 stock or 3 stock with the help of 2000 AED or 2000 rupees itself. Okay, diversification, in a sense, our money we are diversifying into different stocks in order to avoid for investing in one stock. Okay, that is very much needed for the beginners. And for the fourth one, learn stock market basic terms. Okay, that's very necessary, because you are spending your amount. With the help of investing your amount, you are earning on it. So you need to understand some basic terms. I already posted for fundamental analysis as well as some other basic terms which is required for the beginners. And I created for one playlist also, stock market beginners. Those things you can look and learn it. These are all the things should be required for the beginners. Okay, that's very important whoever enter into an stock market. And for the fifth point will be try dividend stocks initially. Because you will get it in a quarterly basis, in half-yearly basis as well as yearly basis. Some companies they will provide for the dividend. Look those stocks, especially for the large cap, then you can invest those stocks for the beginners, because you are going to understand for the stock market after investing, such kind of people. So you need to invest for the dividend. Initially you will get it on 6-month basis or yearly basis. You will get it some portion of amount in your bank, right? In order to avoid for you're not interested for trading, in a sense, just you can invest for these kind of stocks. You can understand for the stock market movements and all. Okay, and for the sixth one, trade with limit orders to avoid loss, because most of the people, you know that limit order as well as market order and stop loss orders will be there. Okay, in UAE 2 order type is available, limit orders as well as for market orders. Limit orders you can do for trading. Limit order, in a sense, you have to fix the price. Suppose you are buying for 8, okay, and you need to sell for 10 or 9. Okay, with that, for minimum profit you can gain it in order to avoid for the losses. So fix for the limit orders, by that way you can trade. Okay, and for the seventh one, be patient. That's very important for the beginners, even for advanced users. Okay, even for experienced person also it's required in the stock market. It's very important for the patience. If you're having a patient in a sense, definitely you can earn for the profit. Suppose particular stock will be down almost for 3 months or 4 months, just you can watch for remaining stocks movement. By that way you will get it an idea, and for you investor respective stock, that stock will be goes up for 10% and 20%, just you can sell for those stock and invest for the normal volatile stocks. Okay, so patience is very very important for the trading. And for the next one, eighth one, define entry and exit. That's very important, because some of them wait for the market will gives you 30%, 50%, 40%, okay, even 100%. If you're determining your profit, 10% is sufficient in a sense, fix for the price, okay, for the 10% profit is getting in a sense, fix for the profit, and you can come for the exit. Then you can wind up, and after that don't involve for the trade for a particular day, because if you're thinking that you will make it for more profit, in a sense, end of the day you will account for the loss. So that's very important strategy for entry and exit you need to define. And for the ninth one, try to analyze market movements. Okay, whether if your stock will be in down, but if you're not looking for the stock market, you cannot analyze anything else. Just each and every day, minimum half an hour, open for your application, okay, that's a broker's application, open it, just you can look for the market movements, how it is working. Even if you're using for computer or laptops, you can look for the movement of the stocks, your stock as well as for other stock also, then you will get some ideas. Okay, that's very important. And last and final, you must be skillful, disciplined and dedicated. Okay, if you're looking for the profit, everybody investing, right, we are looking for the profit only, not for 20 years and 30 years. If we need for 20 and 30 years, in a sense, better we can invest for the insurance, right? We are all coming here to earn profit within a year or within 2 years, like that, right? So you must learn something for advanced full if you want to earn more profit. Okay, and discipline, in a sense, you have to watch in your market as well as what is a stock movement for your invested stock as well as other stocks, as well as dedicatedly you have to take a risk of it. Okay, suppose if there is any risk occurred, in a sense, you need to bear the risk. That's very important. If you follow these 10 steps, definitely you will make a profit of it. With this week I made 20% of profit, okay, with the investment of 10,000. That is for 10,000 AED. I got it for 20% profit around. Okay, so these all steps need to be followed. If I made for 20%, at least you can make it for 5% for the beginners. That's possible. Okay, so follow all the steps and get well and get it for the return. Okay, suppose this video will be helpful for you, you can give a thumbs up as well as comment below really if it is useful or not. Okay, and if there is any query, you can leave a comment below, I will help you out. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.